When it comes to making immersed tunnels watertight, steel and concrete can only take us so far. And where these materials end, rubber starts. Trelleborg's Gina gaskets, omega seals and water stops are made using high-quality engineered rubber. The rubber we use is mainly composed of elastomer and carbon black, but also contains several other ingredients.
Engineered rubber used in immersed tunnels must be robust enough to endure in demanding saltwater conditions, while also remaining elastic for a long service life of more than 100 years. To achieve this, the rubber must be vulcanized. During this process, the material is placed in a mold, which is sealed and put into a vulcanizing press. The press heats up the rubber and compresses it into the desired shape. During vulcanization, the material is cured at high temperatures and under great pressure. This causes the sulfur to form amorphous vulcanized crosslinks between the polymer chains. Strengthening the rubber in this way gives us its resiliency, enables it to maintain its structural stability even at high temperatures. And this provides us with the dependable and reliable engineering material we need to create watertight seals that will endure.
To ensure omega seals are of the required quality and that the material will behave as predicted over a long service life, they have to pass a series of minimal test requirements. To prove the strength of corner construction, we conduct pressure tests of up to 20 bar pressure. High relaxation makes the gasket fail over time, so we also perform compression of the flange to show it possesses low proven relaxation. The gaskets must also have a proven and tested lifetime of 120 years. This is a complicated and lengthy exercise, but has been verified by using actual aged products with a minimum of 35 years proven service life. We test Gina seals to ensure they exhibit low aging behavior, low relaxation levels, and they are highly resilient. To make sure that the seals will behave as expected, we use a rig where we extensively apply a variety of different pressures in different circumstances at different times, so that we are certain they will not fail.
Trelleborg Marine and Infrastructure's experience and expertise in seal design and elastomer technology is unrivaled, with the longest proven track record in the industry. We have been developing special construction methods to overcome the challenges faced in creating watertight structures and designing polymer solutions for tunnels for over 50 years.
Ensuring joints watertightness is critical in underwater and immersed structures such as tunnels. Our engineers can produce, install and provide the services you need to ensure a total engineered tunnel solution. Our industry-leading engineering department is equipped with the latest technology to simulate, develop and design tailor-made polymer solutions for any situation. And we can provide the support and advice you need to seal, damp and to protect, no matter the project. Our experienced and qualified team can supervise, install and repair on site. They can be equipped with state-of-the-art measuring devices and all the required safety gear, and we can support you anywhere in the globe at any time.
I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions about anything we have discussed, or you would like to find out more about Trelleborg's marine and infrastructure products and services, please click on the link.